How to transfer money from Cash App to Chime. Hey everyone, if you're trying to add money from your Cash App to your Chime account, let's just see how you can do it on this video. First thing first, you're going to have to log into your Cash App. And once you're logged in, you just want to head over to the bank icon that you see on the bottom left corner. Just tap on it. Once you land there, you have an option to add cash or cash out. So you're going to have to tap on the add cash option, and then from here you'll be taken to this page where you have an option to choose how much amount that you want to cash in. Once you've selected your account, tap on add, and then you can also manually type in your amount. And on the next step here, you'll be asked to enter your bank's credit card or debit card. That means you're going to have to add your Chime account's credit card. Go ahead and enter your Chime's credit card number right here. And then once you have entered the credit card number, you will be asked to enter the CVV zip code as well as your expiration date. And once all of that is done, tap on link card and you can easily transfer money from your Cash App to Chime. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful and I'll see you on the next one.